Hello my YouTube channel followers and viewers. Today I want to show you how to change the audio speed with Audacity. This will be my Audacity tutorial. I will open the audio file for which I will reduce the speed. But just as speed can be reduced, it can also be increased. I'll play the audio as it sounds before I change the speed. Next, I will highlight the entire audio file. Next I will choose Effect. And under Effect I will choose Change Speed. A Change Speed window will open, where you can increase or decrease the audio speed. I will reduce the speed of the audio file. I have entered 0.400 in the speed multiplier field and press Apply. After pressing the Apply button, the speed of the audio file is reduced. I will play the audio file so you can compare the final result. You will hear that the audio file has slowed down.